other tournament bono. The amount should be able to cater for ABR clubs expenses. But Kwame is never here nor there anywhere in the world. And even where the Premier League, Sika Liverpool editor Florent Vets, a does to change the amount that the Premier League is so. Kwame the mechanism.
That's what I say.
The avenues also said yes, can it shouldn't be from the prize money I have stake. Yeah, Quebec Martin, so the amount I involved in it, you can check every league that you know in the world. Never the amount they used to buy players, and then at elderly, eto Badr Banoun, or $2 billion US dollars for Raja Casablanca. Egyptian league in which are less than $600 US dollars. Can you understand the point I'm building? Sure. So the amount that Abia Cup bisono, and to me, and cater for a better player. But there are a lot of avenues that you can get your money that's in the ABR to invest in your club. And to go to the Premier League on ABR, you can say it's FNMY because there's no sponsorship for the league, there's no TV right whereby they can share. Into the Premier League, whereby they get a chunk of the money and the prize money involved. Name for the TV deal now. Getting back to the FA Cup and I'm Aircano. And then draw finals, who those that were complaining about the boy and Kotoko Ahmad the FNO, Menomajin. Because being a team like Kotoko and playing against a Division 1 team in a final, you want to see total dominance from your club, especially the kind of investment Kotoko prior to the season. Not a Meritisa Kotoko, every team are the best out of their team. And no matter the club that they are playing against, they can be able to dominate and get the result that they want. And we saw it, if you quite remember. Kotoko is a form this in A coaches that like to dominate football. Where Papa IFN said that's Nati Ogumokoya. The flow say let's dominate the game and make sure say you use that one to get our results. And then also in the Karim Zito, our dreams FC, that was one of the strength and all dominating games. Okay. And they wanted to see that type of dominance in another game. Because they were playing against a team or useful players that are well drilled, they put down to the paces and they know how to dominate games. And then each and every time they try to play part the player Kotoko. And one department called Airco and Nima strengthen the defensive midfield position.
The DM.
And that's someone else. He was lucky. He was lucky. As if Adari and that game region is at some point in time. Tackles are no work on it. If it's any other given day, he could have been receive his matching orders and get it out of the game. A bit more continue going forward because now say he was being robust, he was being hard on the Golden Kings player, and this are players. Look at how normal 2010, especially Sada Costa boy. Sure. Anytime you're we could see so a press resistant or president adding, and anytime be not someone else want to go hard on the boy, and one of it, they call the free kick now, and they go on a buy, and also South Echo ye be 50 on man, referee able and good, so and he tried some of those tackles, and then there's a play 8 more this high intensity games now. They have to go to the transfer market, get somebody that can be able to do the job for Kotoko. Because in the final, they were exposed in that department. You see, in each and every team, I have good beer. You don't rely on only one DM. Sure. So the Tenedu are Kotoko. Shall improve his flash of brilliance from him in 1 or 2 games. But won't me any consistent one like Blake Ebayano. Blake gave Kotoko consistency in that department. Also Jackson gave us consistency in that department. So this club does even Richardson or Bayern now who say throughout the season, nothing who was good in that department. But nay, I come and say Karim to Bayern or share any that trust ever my DFs never want to be in the first game or so. And I'll try to say, when you sue someone at the DM, it tells you the know who all training grounds. For me, I have to strengthen that department. Now getting into the game, see. I believe say the penalty referee again, Kwame. Where the log of the game where I'm sitting, maybe coming to penalty. One Menji, because I don't have any problem because you don't need penalty anymore. Kwame, I'm not going to do ball. Maybe. Lady Madibah not going to maybe. So the referee made the call, not got not the one that whistled the ball, say ball or a penalty. And in football, Kwame, who you play on the park so you pass through every means to get your results. And attackers are cunning. They can do anything that they want to get penalties. Yeah, we're PSG against Barcelona. Luis Suarez etono to the penalty at Barcelona. No about Eddie Ashe. Neymar the same thing. So if they are able to con the referee bites it coming. A referee never fault. So Kotoko for the crime, they'll be happy because they got it. Today they were lucky, they got the penalty, and Kwapuku did the needful. Omuji penalty is not a goal.
As a penalty.
And man with penalty and your goal. After you've won it, you have to put the ball at the back of the net. Sanga penalty a walk Ghana and the semi-finals or walk about Sana Morocco a drew. Yeah, the man as a major team, he squandered the penalty. So whatever the decision the referee took is on the referee.
Okay.
And I've said it's a game, no, the almost good on the panel and those officials. Because almost calls on making it so you be when you good with some Kwame. Now who sign a man? Now someone say the lord of the game in here, Jumano, a business crew manana. Because if you want to be a referee and you want us to be able to get the game as you want, Kwame, you put the law on the foot of play.
Okay.
And you want to make sure you give us what we came and paid for. Because I'm going game airfield. How do you make it perform and try to beat like we wanted them to see?
And second half of the
but I mean, do I chance no Yano? Had he been clinical and came via the score of the 2 and even for the penalty?
Somebody or somebody also.
Ablo, thank you, Sina. Ablo, the chance. So they got the chances. And they didn't need that referee to see the center stage. Them, yeah, say, you don't man they be and come I say every time Biara will come here, Kwame. Now they can't referee say.
Okay.
But today it's about time for us to come in here. Now can book team or J the FA Cup number so. But nay, Obi decided by center stage. I'm a nay. Kotoko for AJ Confederation Cup no. And Mom got a slay on them. But they make and Kwame. They didn't award the penalty themselves.
That's it. And no, I am Madibah.
Me